Hello again. Today we're working with SpellTime05 and we've come as far as Unit 4, page 16. Now today we're going to talk about 3 different sounds. We're going to talk about the word bear, beard and pure. Now today we have a bit of a problem. You see, when I speak English, the animal B-E-A-R, I call it a bear. Now, when I have a drink, that's B-E-E-R, I say beer. Can you hear the difference? Bear, beer. Well, a lot of people don't actually say beer. They say something that sounds like this. They say, have a bear. Have a bear. Can you hear? It sounds almost like when I say a bear. But if somebody said to me, would you like a bear? I'd understand that they were really saying, in my English, would you like a beer? Bear in mind that we pronounce things differently. We don't all pronounce words exactly the same. But I want you to listen to me and decide whether I'm saying air, as in bear, ear, as in beard, or your, as in pure. All right, listen to these words and decide whether they're pronounced the same as bear, beard, pure. Deer. That's D-E-A-R. Now here comes the next word. M-E-R-E. How do you pronounce that? Mere. But some people may say mare. The next word, E-A-R. Which column do you put it in? The next word, S-T-A-R-E. Which column do you put that one in? And the next word, C-U-R-E. Which column do you put it in? All right, let's have a look at something else now. Let's have a look at these words and split them into syllables. E-A-G-L-E. That's eagle. E, E-A, and gl, G-L-E. If you have a word that ends in L-E, and before the L-E there's a consonant, like P-L-E, that group of letters becomes a syllable. For example, people, P-L-E, treacle, T-R-E-A-C-L-E. So you have eagle, people. You have measles, M-E-A-S-L-E-S. You have weasel, but that's tricky because it's W-E-A-S-E-L instead of S-L-E, and nobody knows why. See you again soon. Bye for now.